Hey LinkedIn and YouTube, this is week 35 of round 2 of my 52-week challenge to create videos every single week on LinkedIn, also now on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. For this week's video, I want to talk about what's normal to you and what habits are normal to you. Habits are things that you do every day or every week that just becomes part of your routine, and it's normal to you to do it, and it becomes abnormal to you if you don't do it. An easy example is brushing your teeth every day. If you go a day without brushing your teeth, or if you go a day without showering, you just feel gross and dirty, and it just feels really abnormal. To build up good habits, you want to make sure it becomes normal to you. A good example of this is going to the gym every day. You'll feel weird if you get into a good routine. You'll feel weird not going to the gym each day that you skip. When you skip a day going to the gym, you feel weird, your body feels different. Another example are these weekly videos that I do. If I happen to skip a week, then it just feels weird that I didn't do what I was supposed to do this week. And I built up this routine of doing videos every single week, and it becomes normal to me. Another example that I've done is using Duolingo to learn languages. I use Duolingo to learn 3 different languages, and I hit a streak of 1,000 days in a row. When I hit about 300, 400 days, I had to maintain that streak, or else I felt that it was a waste, that I skipped a day and it just wasted 300 or 400 days worth of effort. And over time, that just became a habit that I had to do it every single day. It was normal to me to learn languages every single day for 1,000 days in a row. What are some of your habits that you do that is part of your normal and that would feel weird if you didn't do, and would make you feel abnormal? Share those in the comments below. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll talk to you all next week.